Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a behind the scenes video with my friend Maria. The idea for this video was to meet, walk around and shoot freestyle whatever I can came up with. The only not freestyle thing in the shoot was her outfit, which we chose together. We wanted a classy fashionable street look, so we chose a long coat, boots, simple blue jeans and a white crop top. As usual, the weather was not on our side, mostly because of the wind, which can make or break your photos. Most of street style photos are done with 35 or 50mm lens, and I wanted to try something a bit different, so I chose a telephoto lens. We started our photo shoot at our meeting spot, as always with a sitting pose, because it makes the model comfortable. I wanted to compress the background and make the model pop, so in this case a focal length between 100-130 with f4 work perfectly. In the next set of shots, I wanted to include more of the environment, so I played with different focal lengths and angles to achieve that.
When everything goes wrong, I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over.
The last thing I tried on this spot was some walking shots. Taken at 70mm, you can see the background pretty well, but still the model stands out. Our next location. I started with the idea to shoot low and use the foreground and parts of the building behind my model as a leading lines to my model, again at 70mm. Every time I like a certain spot, I try different angles and focal lengths to see what results I can achieve. Overall, with this lens at 70mm, you can achieve an environment shot of your model, where you can see the background. But if you zoom to 100, 135 or even 200, your background is so compressed and blurred that your model becomes the most important thing in the photo, which I love for portraits. We changed our location again. When shooting outdoors, don't spend all the time at the same spot. The beauty of shooting outside is that you can change the scene around your model. That way you can achieve different photos from a single photo shoot. When you change your spot, use your surroundings like I did in these photos. Using the railings as a leading lens is something that I love to do. You can get different results by changing the angle of your shot, so move around.
It slips through your fingers. I ain't telling no lies. So F all the drama, F the karma. Just do what you wanna. Promise you got time. Be you and keep looking forward. Don't you look backwards and you'll be fine. Come through and say what you need to. Don't let them put you down. Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like
another tip is changing your place with the model for a different perspective, which we did here. This is not possible all the time because the light doesn't not allow that, but in our case the gloomy weather was perfect. While walking around, we saw this blue building, and I decided to use it as my last spot. My first idea was to use it as a background from an overpass next to it. We took a few photos, but the wind was too strong, so we decided to move close to the building where the surrounding terrain provide cover from the wind. We started with a walking shot again. Why? Because I like to make my life harder. Here are some of the shots. Then we needed a different look, changing something small, like the coat over her shoulders or tied up, give the picture a different vibe. We still use the building as a background and I really love it. At this point, 20 minutes before sunset, the sun decided to show up and I was determined to use it. For that, I need to switch spots with my model and use the sun as a backlight. I had to shoot from a little bit of higher angle just to get the highlight in her hair. I shot some more environment pics and of course beautiful close-ups. We had to quickly move around and change position to get some photos before the sun was gone. That's it for this photoshoot, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye!